A few days ago, my friends and I were discussing. In fact, it was not a discussion, it was kinda a debate. We were debating about a very, very hot topic. And the topic was between online working and the physical jobs, the 9 to 5 or the physical businesses, which one is better? Some were saying that online job is better. Others were saying that the 9 to 5 job is better than the online jobs. And so in this video, I decided that I will come here and so that I can discuss. And so in this video, I am going to discuss and compare between the two, between the remote working, that is the online jobs, and the physical businesses or the physical jobs, the 9 to 5, which is better. And so let me start by explaining what are physical jobs, the 9 to 5 or the physical businesses. These are jobs where need you to be physically present. Maybe you're working in an office as an accountant, a secretary, or any other position that you have in that office or organization. You must be there in that organization physically. If it is a physical business, maybe you have a shop where you're running it, a hotel, a boutique, or any other physical business, you're there present, you're selling your products there. But now, on the other hand, when we are talking about the online or the remote jobs, we are talking about jobs where you just need to have your laptop, your laptop or your phone or tablet, whatever gadget you're working with, and you can work from anywhere. You can work from your home, you can work from any region, any country. You don't have to be physically present in that job. For example, I can become a virtual assistant of a person who is maybe in UK, who is in USA. Like, you can do that job from wherever you are. So now when you're comparing between the two jobs, and so that you can be able to know which one fits for you, because I believe we cannot all go into the online working and we cannot all go into the physical jobs or the physical businesses. It's all about you weighing the pros and the cons. So when we start with the online jobs, if you're looking for flexibility and freedom of time, then you need to go for the online jobs. Or if you're looking for something that you can do from anywhere, maybe you're a person who likes traveling and you would like to work from anywhere, go for the online. Then on the other hand, if you're looking maybe for income stability and you're looking for benefits like retirement benefits, then go for the 9 to 5 job, because a 9 to 5 job assures you a salary at the end of the month, and it also assures you of some benefits like retirement benefits, medical covers, and many others. On the other hand, if you're looking to build wealth building or wealth creation and becoming your own boss, then go for the businesses, the physical businesses. Then nowadays you must be able to know, as you're getting into businesses, the physical businesses nowadays are being integrated in the online spaces. And here is where you're finding that nowadays people with physical businesses, physical shops, or the physical products that they are selling, nowadays they are putting them online. They are putting them on TikTok, on Facebook. They are advertising their products there, and then they are able to reach a larger audience. So nowadays things are changing. In fact, nowadays there are people who are operating physical businesses from their own homes. Maybe you take a room, you can put some shelves there, and then the products which you're selling, you display them there. Then with your phone or with the gadgets that you have, you just start posting your products. Then you ensure that you have a way of delivering them to your consumers. So my question is, you as a person, when you weigh yourself, which fits you better? Are you best in the remote or the online? Are you best in the physical, the 9 to 5, or the physical business? Let me know in the comment section. Leave a comment there. like the video, share the video, and even hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. As for me, I am in both. I do the online most of the time, but I also do run a physical business.